Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. The Shiba Inu coin vanished without a trace. Current events involving Shibas. In 2020, Shiba Inu was introduced as a competitor to Dogecoin. In 2021, the hype surrounding Shiba Inus drove its value to a high of $0.0005 USD. The coin's luck has unfortunately only worsened since then. A precipitous 81% drop from its top, Shiba Inu is now selling for $0.009341 USD. Shiba Inu showed a small daily gain, adding 2% to the total in the past week. Here in this video, we'll discuss the recent events surrounding Shiba Inu currency. If you want to see more videos like this one where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. Now let's get the video started. When the Shiba Inu market first started to decline, price declines were quite unpredictable, causing some to wonder how long the market slump would endure. The altcoin's price performance flattened out when it dropped to number 15 on CoinMarketCap's ranking of the top cryptocurrencies by market cap. An increasing number of individuals are considering using Shiba Inu as a form of digital cash. The growing Shiba Inu ecosystem, which encompasses a number of essential goods and useful services, is largely to blame for this increase in popularity. Reportedly, the number of SHIB holders reached a new record high of 2,193,520 the day after the highly anticipated Shiba Eternity Play-to-Earn P2E game was released. Furthermore, the number of registered Shiba Inu owners has increased by 174,763 since July, with 104,200 more owners added in just September. If Shiba's price is going to rise in the coming months, it will be due to more immediate events. More and more people are putting their money into Shiba Inu, which could mean the altcoin is set to have a price explosion as a bull run begins. The monthly settlement may give investors some context for the future price movement of Shiba Inu. Therefore, they are keeping a close eye on the price. Although the trend is clearly in the bear's favor, it is prudent to look at more nuanced indications of bullishness. These considerations suggest that Shiba might experience more volatility in the near future. This past November, 666,903,322 Shiba tokens were burned, according to Shiba Burn, a platform that keeps tabs on Shiba Inu burn statistics. In just 149 deals, the Shiba Inu token community blew through over 666 million Shiba. The adoption of burn is crucial to the Shiba Inu ecosystem since it decreases the circulation of Shiba tokens. The price of meme coin is directly related to the amount of the cryptocurrency that is available for purchase. Permanently eliminated from the Shiba Inu circulating supply are upwards of 410.38 trillion Shiba tokens. The circulation of Shiba, often seen as Dogecoin's main rival, has dropped significantly. There are 562.56 trillion Shiba tokens floating around in user wallets and exchanges after 41% of them were destroyed. Even with the crypto bear market, the cryptocurrency with a Shiba Inu theme is on the mend. The price of Shiba has not altered much in the last 2 weeks, and experts have found technical signs that suggest the meme coin might be on the mend. According to the Coin Republic's technical expert Nancy Allen, the Shiba Inu price has to break out of the falling triangle formation. In order to start making a comeback, Shiba Inu needs to draw in more buyers during the intraday trading session. As a momentum indicator, the Relative Strength Index RSI is fighting for a breakout from neutrality around 46. Allen thinks the meme coin might be about to make a comeback if the moving average convergence divergence indicator detects a significant momentum difference in Shiba Inu. For Shiba Inu, Allen sees 0.000950 as potential resistance and 0.000835 as support. Sun Crypto has just announced that Bone Shiba Swap is now listed. On November 29th, the site went online with trading. The world's second largest cryptocurrency with a K9 theme by market cap, SHIB has recruited Sun Crypto as one of its early backers. The platform enabled Shiba Inu trade on November 26, 2021. Among India's most prominent cryptocurrency exchanges, Sun Crypto stands out. Customers in India can take advantage of the exchange's lightning-fast trading and best-priced offerings across 150-plus cryptocurrencies. According to the official websites, this exchange is preferred by more than 800,000 verified Indian users. Since lead Shiba Inu creator Satoshi Kusama shifted his efforts to the highly anticipated Shiba Reum Layer 2 solution, Bone Shiba Swap has garnered a lot of attention from investors and exchanges. But when exactly the Shiba Reum could launch is anybody's guess. The network's native gas token will be Bone Shiba Swap. The Shiba Inu ecosystem currently uses Bone Shiba Swap as its governance token, giving members of the Shiba Inu community a say in the future of Doggy DAO through voting on all proposed changes. Listing on many cryptocurrency exchanges has caused Shiba Inu to see a meteoric rise, as the token may be traded on the majority of sites currently. Thus, the asset has become the most prominent meme altcoin featured on the majority of crypto exchanges. Uphold, a digital asset trading company based in New York, just tweeted that their marketplace is now accepting Bone. That made it possible for regular people to purchase and sell the K9 coin. Members of the Shiba Swap community can cast votes on proposed projects using the native token, Bone. The meme coin was also listed by another cryptocurrency exchange the day before Uphold did so. The Indian marketplace Sun Crypto has announced that Bone is now tradable. From 0.7175 on December 3rd to 0.8034 on December 4th, the value of the Shiba Inu asset spiked by 12% due to the listing. But these new listings are just the latest in a long line of cryptocurrency exchanges that have added the K9 digital asset to their listings. L-Bank, headquartered in Hong Kong, also floated the governance token of Shiba Inus in September. Crypto exchange without custody. At the same time, StealthEX included asset support. By integrating the token into its platform, Bluebit.io also became a provider of digital asset services. An election token for the Shiba Inu network was released last year. The asset's value has skyrocketed since then, hitting a new high of 3.02 on October 8th. In the decentralized exchange DEX ecosystem of Shiba Inu, the new coin is called Bone. Any prospective community initiatives can be voted on by Shiba Army members as Bone holders. As a member of the Shiba Inu community, you have a greater say in the future of the ecosystem the more Bone assets you have. In the end, the highest-ranking token holders receive a say in any community project. But the chief developer of Shiba Inu only revealed that Bones would function as a gas price for the network's next Layer 2 solution, and only then did their accumulation start to climb. In anticipation of the long-awaited Shibarium update, which will supposedly usher in SHIB's decentralization from the Ethereum protocol and its ERC20 token to its own autonomous network, the network is getting ready. With this update, Shibarium will no longer need the Ethereum network, and it will also be more efficient and have lower transaction fees. Investors are trying to diversify their holdings in Bone as the release of the Shibarium update draws near, betting on a price spike upon debut. At this time, Bone has more mentions on Twitter than any other asset on social media sites combined. According to statistics provided by CoinGecko, the value of Bone has increased by 22% in the previous week, and it currently ranks 166th among altcoins in terms of trading volume. According to the same statistics, Bone has increased in value by 3.61% in the last 24 hours, and is currently trading at 0.8395. Given the optimistic outlook on the asset, Bone is expected to continue its ascent towards $2 in the near future, as investors look to add additional value. Two major airlines, Air Canada and American Airlines, have added the dog-themed meme coin to their FCF Pay payment options. Consequently, not only may SHIB be used to book flights and make payments, but up to 20 other stablecoins can also be added to the platform's prepaid debit cards. In response to a tweet from the coin cryptocurrency payment gateway FCF Pay, the two biggest airlines in the world, American Airlines and Air Canada, have linked their FCF Pay Visa cards. Support for SHIB payments was added to FCF Pay's platform in October, making it the first non-stablecoin introduced to the platform. Customers may be able to buy FCF Pay's prepaid debit cards through SH, according to the company. Beyond its partnership with FCF Pay, though, the Shiba Inu ecosystem has achieved additional triumphs. Memecoin has been gaining traction across numerous industries since its commercial initiatives were launched, and major collaborations with businesses, governments, and international organizations